Hello, welcome to Software Design. Today, we want to teach you how you can download font and possible places for you to download desired font. So let's go to the font. The website is the font. Click enter. Then this is the font. This is the URL. Click here. Then you have different styles of fonts. This is royalty free. This you scroll down. Let's say you you want a desired font, like let's say Christmas font. You come here, search your Christmas font. Christmas fonts. Let's try and see. That one is not found, but you have seen related font to Christmas. Let's say you want to download Montserrat. Montserrat. I think they will give you something similar. That one does not exist. Let's say you want to download Lost in Wide. Let's see, Lost in the Wide. You click enter. It's not found on this site. Then let's go back to our, let's say, gaming fonts, and see we have some gaming fonts here. For example, you click on this, click download here. You download, you go to your browser. From your browser, you open from your browser here, and then you come to this particular one, right click on it. Then you right click and extract the file from here. Let's see, click on extract all, click, then look at, this is the file. You right click and then you click on install, and the file is installing. And then if you go back to, let's say, your Coreldraw, and then this is a new page. Let's check whether the font is there. Let's say gaming. Let's go back over again. It's King Gaming. That is the name of the font. King Gaming. Click enter, and you have successfully installed your font, which you can use for your designs. Thank you, and subscribe for more.